day viewers, in today's tutorial we are going to be looking at binary number in base 2. How to convert from base 2 to base 10 and how to convert from base 10 to base 2. Now let's take binary question number 1. We are asked to convert 1 0 0 0 in base 2 to base 10. Now in converting this equation, we have to take this value into consideration. You assign those values in terms of 0, 1, 2, and 3 to be effective. So let's go. You multiply each of these values by the base, by the corresponding base. So let's go. We have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2. The next value is plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of how many? 0. After this step, you take another step to multiply the corresponding value. 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3.
8.
Is it 8?
Yes.
You put your 8. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4.
0.
Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1.
0.
Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0.
0.
0. Now, having gotten all this, you add this corresponding value together. 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0
8.
equals to 8. In what?
Base 10.